Hello, this is Dr. Vinnie here. I'm often asked about the difference between various mental health providers. So let me start with psychologists. Psychologists usually have a doctorate in psychology from an accredited program, and they can provide individual and group counseling. Psychiatrists, on the other hand, are medical doctors. They're able to prescribe medication to help you with emotional issues, but most of them do not do counseling. Then there are nurse practitioners. These are registered nurses with a graduate degree, and they also have special training in the diagnosis and treatment of mental, emotional issues. Some of them provide counseling. They are also able to provide medication, just like psychiatrists. There are mental health counselors, or when we shorten it in an acronym, it's LMHC. They have a master's degree and they do individual and group counseling, or they can. Social workers are individual and group counseling as well. They also do case management and advocacy. Then there's licensed marriage and family counselors. And those are just like mental health counselors, but they have special training in marriage issues and in family counseling. Then last but not least, we have pastors and members of the clergy. They're typically not trained in counseling, but they're often helpful for you if you're seeking spiritual and emotional help. They'll sit and listen and give you feedback and pray with you. Most will meet with you once or more, but if they feel like they're getting in over their heads, they may refer you out to a professional counselor. Most churches have lists of mental health providers that they can refer you to. I found that the larger churches often have lists like this. So the larger the church, the more likely are to have a list like that. Start with your church. If they don't have one, then you can contact the larger church in your area. Let's talk about expectations. You should expect it to take some time to find someone, especially if you have parameters. If the person's faith is important to you, then that may take longer to find someone like that, or if you're looking for a specific specialty. It could take days, it could take hours, but press through, don't give up. Your emotional and spiritual health is too important. When you call these people, you may not reach them right away. Often they're in session for 30 plus hours a week, and then they have additional paperwork due on top of that. So they may not call you back, especially if their schedule is full or if they think that they're not a good fit for you. So don't give up, keep calling. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via text at 508-293-1611. Again, if you have a friend that's trying to make sense of mental health providers, please share this resource with them. Again, that number to text is 508-293-1611.